In today's video, I'm going to show you how to undo changes on a selected element in Webflow. So start by opening up your project on Webflow. Now, if you just want to undo your last action, you can simply press Command plus Z on your Mac PC or Control plus Z on Windows. This works for most changes in the designer. Now, if you only want to reset styles on a specific element, first select that element, then go to the Style panel, and here look for any blue highlighted style values. This indicate custom changes. So all you have to do is click on the text with the blue highlight and press the reset option. And that specific style will then be removed. You can also remove a class from the element or switch to a different class if multiple elements share styles. For example, this block has an image added to it, so all you have to do in the Style panel is click on the down button beside the class and click on Remove Class. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!